Hey there, Brock Elementary parents. It is Miss Griffith here with your Brock Elementary update. Um, it's August 23rd. We actually just completed our very first Fly Friday. Yay! All the kids were so excited. They did so good. Our kindergartners were awesome. In Fly Friday, we talk a lot about what it means to be an Eagle, a good citizen. We talk a lot about why we do the pledges and model really good and respectful behavior in that. And it's just a time for us to really build community and talk about the expectations of the school and set goals for the future. So it was great. The kids had a really good time, and I'm glad that we were able to kick it off, and it was a fun time. So this coming up week, again on Wednesday, the kids will wear gold for respect. We'll continue to talk about that throughout the week and what that means for us as Brock Eagles. And Fridays, we will always have Fridays or hat days. Kids can bring $1, and then they go to the money goes to multiple charities and things like that. So we'll be getting that information out, and then also we will have another Fly Friday. Next Friday, August 30th, is going to be our very first Pep Rally. It's our first home game against Brownwood, and so it's very exciting. An amazing tradition here at Brock ISD where all the schools get to come together and support and cheer on our Eagles before the game, and so that's always very exciting. You'll be getting more information about the Pep Rally and all of that from your teachers coming up soon. And so that's definitely something. It's from 8:50 to 9:30 at the high school, and we'll be getting information out about that to you guys. Another event we have coming up is Curriculum Night. We're going to be doing that September 3rd. As of right now, we're looking at having 2 sessions. Session one will start at 6 o'clock, and it will end sometime before, a little bit before 6:40, and then session two will begin at 6:45 to 7:25. Just two 40-minute sessions. At this, they'll be, talking to you about curriculum and our philosophy behind what we do, going over our Eagle binders and our standards-based grading, and just really giving parents an opportunity to understand what we're doing with kids academically at school and to answer any questions that you may have. We do ask that that's a parent-only event just so that we can eliminate distractions and parents can really hear and understand what the teachers are trying to communicate. And we understand that if you cannot get childcare, we will have some people in the cafeteria with a movie for any kiddos that need to come. So. Grandparents' Day is coming up. That was a huge hit last year. We had a lot of grandparents show up. And so this year it's going to be September 9th. We're actually going to host it this year in the gym just to give us a little bit more space. It is broken up by grade level, but no worries, if you have a kindergartner and a first grader and a second grader, just whichever one you come to, we will pull your kiddos from the other grades so that the grandparents can enjoy the day. And so we do really ask that this is kind of limited to just grandparents as we just want to make sure that we have the space for everybody to come. And let's see what else. So kindergarten, your session will be from 8 to 8:30. First grade will be 9 to 9:30, and second 10 to 10:30. And we just have that little lapse of time so we can get reorganized, make sure that we can try to get kids to the gym whose grandparents are coming, and try to make sure that that's very organized and seamless. We'll also have the book fair going on that will also be set up the in the gym as well, so that will be good. Anyways, it's always an exciting day, and we just enjoy getting to see all the grandparents that are able to attend. Eagle Eye Dad sign up. So I had this last week in our s'more, but the link wasn't working. This link should actually work. So please get in there and sign up. And that just gives, again, it's just an opportunity for dads to be involved, be an extra set of eyes for our campus and help out with things. So it's a great little organization to be a part of. Just some need to know. We open our doors at 7:15, and from 7:15 to 7:40, our kiddos are going either to kindergarten to the cafeteria, first and second grade to the gym, and then after 7:40 we will filter our kids through the office, and then teachers will come get them at that point. So if you need to buckle your kiddos in the line when you're picking up, please just make sure that you pull all the way up to the front of the line so that we can keep the line moving. We're working really hard to get you guys through that line quickly, make sure it's quick and efficient. We do have some issues sometimes, like this week. Our microphone went out, and so we had to improvise, and it took a little bit longer. But typically, that's not the case, and we're going to be working to make sure that we get you guys through that line safely and efficiently. That's a big deal to us. And so also we ask that nobody pass in the line unless they've been directed around a car, just because some of our kids get out on the other side, and we want to make sure that everybody's safe. At the end of the day, that's our biggest thing. That's about it for next week. I just want to let you guys know that I appreciate you so much sharing your kids with us. It has been a fun first full week getting kids into the routine and letting them know how much we enjoy them being here and letting them just really start to build relationships and establish routines. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. I look forward to seeing the kiddos ready to go on Monday. Have a great one. Go Eagles.